Hey Systems, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring the incredible health benefits of squash. This versatile vegetable, whether it's summer squash or winter squash, is packed with nutrients that can boost your overall well-being. From improving digestion and supporting heart health to enhancing your immune system and providing a rich source of vitamins and minerals, squash is a true superfood. Join us as we delve into the nutritional profile of squash, share delicious recipes, and highlight how incorporating this powerhouse veggie into your diet can lead to a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness tips.
The Importance of Healthy Eating, written by Michael Pollan in Defense of Food. Food is much more than just fuel for our bodies. It's a source of pleasure, a way to connect with others, and a fundamental part of our culture. But in today's fast-paced world, it's easy to lose sight of the importance of healthy eating. We grab processed snacks on the go, eat out more often than we cook at home, and prioritize convenience over quality. However, the food choices we make have a direct impact on our physical and mental well-being. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provides our bodies with the essential nutrients they need to function properly. Choosing to eat healthy is an investment in our long-term health and happiness. Squash is a type of gourd that belongs to the Cucurbitaceae family, which also includes cucumbers, melons, and pumpkins. Native to Central and South America, squash has been a staple food for centuries, prized for its mild flavor, versatility in the kitchen, and impressive nutritional profile. Available in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, squash is a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. Beyond its visual appeal, squash is a true nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Whether enjoyed roasted, sautéed, pureed into soups, or used as a healthy substitute for pasta, squash is an incredibly versatile ingredient. Squash is an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals that play vital roles in maintaining our overall health and well-being. 1 cup of cooked squash provides a significant amount of our daily recommended intake of several key nutrients: vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and fiber. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision, supporting immune function, and promoting cell growth and development. Vitamin C helps protect our cells from damage, supports collagen production for healthy skin, and aids in iron absorption. Potassium regulates blood pressure, supports muscle function, and maintains fluid balance. By incorporating squash into our diets, we can increase our intake of these essential nutrients and support our body's overall health. A healthy digestive system is essential for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste products from the body. Squash, with its impressive fiber content, can play a significant role in supporting digestive health. Insoluble fiber, found in the skin and seeds of squash, adds bulk to our stool and helps food move more easily through the digestive tract, preventing constipation. Soluble fiber, found in the flesh of squash, dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance that can help soften stool and promote regularity. In addition to its fiber content, squash also contains enzymes that can aid in digestion. These enzymes help break down food molecules, making it easier for our bodies to absorb nutrients. By promoting regularity and aiding in the digestive process, squash can help keep our digestive systems functioning optimally. Boosting immunity: squash as your immune system's ally. A robust immune system is our body's first line of defense against harmful pathogens. Squash, with its abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, can help strengthen our immune systems. Vitamin C, found in significant amounts in squash, is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C also plays a vital role in supporting the function of white blood cells, which are responsible for identifying and destroying pathogens. Beta-carotene, another potent antioxidant found in squash, is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining the integrity of our skin and mucous membranes, which act as physical barriers against pathogens. By providing our bodies with these immune-boosting nutrients, squash can help us stay healthy and ward off infections. Weight management and squash, a winning combination. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for overall health and well-being. Squash, with its low-calorie and high-fiber content, can be a valuable ally in weight management. Fiber promotes feelings of fullness and satiety, which can help us eat less and manage our calorie intake more effectively. When we consume fiber, it absorbs water in our digestive system, expanding and creating a sense of fullness. Squash is also a good source of complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy release, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes. By incorporating squash into a balanced diet and making healthy lifestyle choices, we can support our weight management goals. Squash is a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal plan. Skin Deep Squash for a healthy glow. Our skin is the largest organ in our body, acting as a protective barrier against the environment. Squash, with its abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, can help nourish our skin from the inside out. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant found in squash, is essential for collagen production. Collagen provides structure and elasticity to our skin, keeping it firm and youthful looking. Consuming vitamin C-rich foods like squash can help support collagen production and maintain skin elasticity. Beta-carotene, another potent antioxidant found in squash, is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in cell growth and development, including skin cells. By nourishing our skin with these essential nutrients, squash can help us maintain a healthy, radiant complexion. Butternut squash, with its distinctive bell shape, smooth, tan skin, and sweet, nutty flavor, is one of the most popular and versatile types of winter squash. Its vibrant orange flesh is a telltale sign of its rich beta-carotene content, a precursor to vitamin A. Butternut squash can be enjoyed in a myriad of ways. Roast it with herbs and spices for a simple and satisfying side dish, puree it into a creamy soup, or use it as a base for risotto or pasta sauce. Its naturally sweet flavor also makes it a delicious addition to baked goods such as muffins, bread, and pies. Beyond its culinary versatility, butternut squash is a nutritional powerhouse. It's an excellent source of vitamins A and C, potassium, magnesium, and fiber. Whether you're looking for a healthy side dish, a comforting soup, or a nutritious addition to your favorite baked goods, butternut squash is a delicious and versatile ingredient. Acorn squash, with its distinctive ridged exterior and sweet, nutty flavor, is a true jewel of the autumn harvest. Its deep green skin gives way to a vibrant orange flesh that's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Acorn squash is incredibly versatile and can be prepared in a variety of ways. Simply halve it, scoop out the seeds, and roast it with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of salt and pepper for a simple and satisfying side dish. You can also stuff it with savory fillings such as sausage, quinoa, or wild rice for a hearty and flavorful meal. Like other types of winter squash, acorn squash is an excellent source of vitamins A and C, potassium, magnesium, and fiber. Its high fiber content can aid in digestion, promote regularity, and support weight management. Whether you're looking for a healthy side dish, a hearty main course, or a nutritious addition to your fall feast, acorn squash is a delicious and versatile ingredient. Spaghetti squash, with its oval shape, pale yellow skin, and mild, slightly sweet flavor, is a unique and versatile type of winter squash. When cooked, its flesh separates into long, thin strands that resemble spaghetti, making it a popular low-carb alternative to traditional pasta. Simply halve it, scoop out the seeds, and roast it in the oven until tender. Once cooked, use a fork to scrape the flesh from the skin, creating long, spaghetti-like strands. Use it as a base for your favorite pasta sauces, toss it with pesto and vegetables for a light and refreshing salad, or stuff it with savory fillings. While lower in carbohydrates than traditional pasta, spaghetti squash is still a good source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It's an excellent source of vitamin C and B6, potassium, and manganese. Whether you're following a low-carb diet or simply looking for a healthy and delicious alternative to pasta, spaghetti squash is a versatile and nutritious ingredient. From its impressive nutritional profile to its culinary versatility and affordability, Squash is a true superfood that deserves a place in everyone's diet. Whether you're looking to boost your intake of essential vitamins and minerals, support your digestive health, strengthen your immune system, manage your weight, or simply enjoy delicious and satisfying meals, squash has something to offer everyone. Experiment with different varieties, cooking methods, and flavor combinations to find what you like best. By embracing the power of squash, you can nourish your body from the inside out, improve your overall health and well-being, and enjoy delicious and satisfying meals.